That's what she smells.
She smells them.
You smell that, Lola? Your little cousin out there. Larry the raccoon. Right by the bird's nest. That's a big little sucker, too. Look at him looking
that's a
around.
big one. He's very
You're saying, this is some good stuff here. I got to come back here some more open.
And those things.
Oh,
are
he's not, no
dangerous.
water.
Oh, look at that.
He was looking for his drink. There's no water up there.
See, they're hungry. Yeah, ever since the COVID.
He's a healthy one, too. Look at the size of him.
Probably ate some other animals.
He's going strong out there.
Mm-hmm. It's not
He's a fat little puppy, too. I can't zoom in on him.
And he doesn't care that we're watching him.
There you go. I zoomed a little bit. Let's see if we can get him, see him turn around. Say, smile for the camera. Rodney Raccoon. Yeah, he's definitely not skinny. He's cooking out there. He's getting every last drop. He must have been there the night before because he finished everything and was out there the other night. Look at him. He hears the noise. Hello. Oh, somebody's screaming. Who's that?
Dumbo is here.
Dumbo.
He's either here, going home, or coming.
He's going to look around. Is he finished? And we definitely got a little nightlife out there. Yeah, this is Nature's Bar. And that thing full of cereal or something. Not cereal, it's like granule yellow. You had it in a bag. I just mixed it so I could crunch up the Nature's Bar. But apparently he's taking every last bit. Look at him. He's sweeping it up. There he goes.
Yeah, he's running away. Oh, he's running fast. He must see something else that he could eat.
He's going over to the bird's nest over there now.